Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the surface and planning placement so stickers last. Clean the case with isopropyl alcohol and dry it. This removes oils that defeat adhesion. Once done, sort stickers by size and adhesive strength so you know which will sit on the edges or center. Make a quick layout on a flat surface. Try a focal sticker first, then support pieces. This saves repositioning later and prevents trapped bubbles or misaligned patterns when you start applying. You now apply each sticker with deliberate motion to get clean adhesion. Peel the backing slowly, touching only non-adhesive edges, then align one edge or a corner first so placement is intentional. Press the sticker down from that anchored edge toward the opposite side to force air out. This prevents bubbles and lifting. For larger stickers, use a credit card or squeegee wrapped in cloth to smooth seams. If layering, place transparent or base stickers first and press each layer firmly to bond. You finish by trimming and sealing to ensure durability and a polished look. Carefully trim overlaps with a sharp blade while protecting camera openings and buttons. This keeps edges neat. Make sure to seal edges with a clear coat or thin edge adhesive for extra wear resistance. If a bubble appears, don't peel the whole sticker. Use a tiny pinprick to release trapped air and press flat, then reseal. If an edge lifts later, reapply adhesive sparingly and clamp briefly to set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.